We call it the professional pack. This is a pack that was created in tandem with our top field leadership and the corporate management team to create a pack that's truly for the network marketing professional. This pack is for the person that wants to come in, that sees the opportunity, that sees the vision, that needs to have some product and wants to go share it with the entire world. So if you're ready to see it, here we go. The professional pack, ladies and gentlemen, professional pack. It's going to cost you $3,499 US. You're going to save close to $3,000. And I'm going to go through some of the value on this. You're going to get 4 Hilo LX Plus bracelets, 4 germanium kits for free. You're going to get 4 Hilo LX band kits. And this is where it gets crazy. When you talk about other opportunities and you buy their professional pack, what it most of the time comes with is a bunch of brochures for you to hand out to people, a bunch of literature and things like that for you to give people. We wanted to step that up one step further. So you are going to be getting in this pack 30 BioZen sticker chips with 42 additional BioZen for free. If you hear me correctly, that is 72 BioZen in the professional pack to go out and use as prospecting tools, to go out and share with the world what this amazing opportunity is all about. And so we have got this professional pack. If you're excited about the professional pack, do me a favor and drop the hearts in the comments for me. I think this professional pack is the perfect pack for the network marketing professional to truly get involved and have all the tools necessary going forward to crush it. And so all of these packs will be in your back office. Like I said, shortly after this call, everything is going into the back office as we speak. So you'll see it coming in as the day goes on today. But very, very excited about this. These new packs, this professional pack, I think we're going to see so many amazing leaders coming over and taking full advantage of this professional pack, getting all the tools and resources necessary with all the amazing new certifications with the BioZen Plus being a Class 1 medical device, our new Hilo LX Plus with the Sugar Trend software coming later in the year. But all of the amazing things that we have going on here at World Global Network. So exciting, and I hope you're excited with us. Again, there is 1,200 SV on this professional pack and a $350 fast start bonus. So this professional pack, like I said, I've said a couple times now, is for the network marketing professional in your life, someone that is a leader that wants to take their game to the next level and truly go out there and run with this opportunity at a full sprint.
Income disclosure notice. Practicality dictates that everyone's results will vary, as we are all unique and different. Basically, it takes hard work to make a substantial income in this business, and some people will make no money at all. The earnings of a World Global Network partner will be 100% dependent upon their skills, work effort, commitment, leadership capabilities, and market conditions. Common sense would suggest that in most opportunities, one would find exceptional individuals performing well above average, while others perform under the average. World Global Network does not guarantee any level of income or your success. To see our full income disclosure, please visit our website at www.worldgn.com.